This image illustrates how a virus works inside a human body. As per the image, viruses are absorbed into cells of living organisms. Once a virus enters a cell, it replicates itself. In the third stage, the virus, which has multiplied, assembles around the cell wall. Finally, they are released into the bloodstream. In conclusion, this image shows how viruses are harmful to living organisms. This image shows the life cycle of a sunflower, consisting of 6 stages. As per the cycle, the adult sunflower plants give birth to young seeds which bear roots. These roots grow into small sprouts when subjected to sunlight and water. They are then transformed into baby and adolescent plants. Finally, they grow into adult plants which bear sunflower seeds once again. Overall, the life cycle process of a sunflower plant is quite repetitive. This bar chart represents the amount of money spent on transportation among different household income groups. As per the chart, households that have an income over $50,000 spend the highest amount of money on transportation of roughly $10,000. In contrast, households which earn $5 to $10,000 in income spend the lowest amount of $1,800 on transportation. In conclusion, there is a positive relationship between household income and money spent on transportation. These photographs compare a city in Dubai in 1989 and 2019. As per the first image, Dubai was hardly developed in 1989 with only a few buildings and roads. In contrast, it has many highways, skyscrapers, and modern looking buildings at present. In conclusion, it can be seen that Dubai has rapidly improved its infrastructure and economy during the last 3 decades. These statistical data reveal some information regarding the energy consumption of North and South America in the year 2007. As per the bar chart, South America consumed the highest percentage of oil and hydroelectric energy. In contrast, North America has consumed 20% coal and 9% nuclear energy during the year. In conclusion, it is seen that both regions have consumed high amounts of natural gases during 2007. This bar chart represents the population of major European countries in 1997 and 2007. Countries such as Spain, France, Italy, Turkey, and the United Kingdom have been used for this analysis. Germany had a high population of approximately 80 million in both years. In contrast, Poland had the lowest population numbers of less than 40 million. In conclusion, there is a fluctuating trend in the populations of these countries. This image compares light pollution and the feeding behavior of fish. As per the image, fish are less abundant during the day where there is more predation. In contrast, there is less predation and more abundance of fish during the night time. The image then shows the results when artificial light is introduced into the water. In conclusion, when artificial light is introduced into the water during the night time, the results of daytime are repeated. This bar chart represents the percentage of international graduates from Canadian universities between 2001 and 2006. Provinces such as British Columbia, New Brunswick, and Quebec have been used in this analysis. As per the chart, Alberta produced 6% of total international graduates in 2001. New Brunswick had the highest number of graduates in both years. In conclusion, an increasing trend can be seen across this statistical data. This bar chart compares poverty rates in the US in 2012 by age and gender. As per the chart, females under 18 years showed the highest poverty rate of 22.3%. In contrast, males aged 65 and older had the lowest poverty rate of 6.6%. In conclusion, it is seen that the poverty rate among both males and females aged 18 to 64 is roughly equal. This table represents statistical data regarding economic inactivity across various generations. Baby boomers born between 1946 and 1964 have an average life expectancy of 67.1. Generation X, Y, and Z had economic inactivity years of 25.7, 27.6, and 28.1 years respectively. Overall, the average work expectancy at 15 years has remained constant across all generations.